Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a delicious, low-carb meal that's perfect for diabetics and anyone seeking a healthier lifestyle, look no further than these Keto Taco Bowls. Packed with vibrant flavors and nutritious ingredients, this recipe is not only easy to make but also supports balanced blood sugar levels and overall well-being. Ingredients: for the taco meat, 1 pound ground beef, preferably grass-fed, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional for extra spice, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup water. For the cauliflower rice, 1 medium head of cauliflower, grated or processed into rice-sized pieces, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For the toppings, 1 cup shredded lettuce, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/2 cup diced avocado, 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese, optional for keto but not for strict paleo, 1/4 cup 60g, sour cream or Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup salsa, fresh cilantro chopped for garnish, lime wedges for serving. Instructions: Step 1. Prepare the taco meat and cook the ground beef. In a large skillet, heat a bit of olive oil over medium heat. Add the ground beef and cook until browned, breaking it up with a spatula as it cooks. 2. Add onion and garlic. Once the beef is browned, add the chopped onion and minced garlic. Cook until the onion is soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. 3. Season the meat. Add chili powder, cumin, paprika, oregano, cayenne pepper, if using, salt and pepper. Stir to combine. Simmer. Add water and let the mixture simmer for 5–10 minutes until the flavors meld together and the liquid reduces slightly. Step 2. Prepare the cauliflower rice. 1. Rice the cauliflower. Grate the cauliflower using a box grater or pulse in a food processor until it resembles rice grains. Almais, cook the rice. In a separate skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the cauliflower rice, season with salt and pepper, and sauté for about 5–7 minutes until tender. Step 3. Assemble the taco bowls. Layer the bowls. Start with a base of cauliflower rice in each bowl. Add the taco meat. Spoon the seasoned taco meat over the cauliflower rice. Atop it off, add shredded lettuce, cherry tomatoes, diced avocado, shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream or Greek yogurt, and salsa. For garnish, sprinkle with fresh cilantro and serve with lime wedges. Health benefits for diabetics and healthy eaters. Low carb and blood sugar friendly. This keto taco bowl is low in carbohydrates, which helps in managing blood sugar levels. By replacing traditional rice with cauliflower rice, we significantly reduce the carb content, making it ideal for diabetics. Rich in healthy fats and protein, the ground beef provides a good amount of protein, essential for muscle maintenance and overall health. Avocado and olive oil offer healthy fats, which are crucial for satiety and hormone production. Packed with nutrients. The addition of vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and avocado ensures you get a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients support immune function, skin health, and overall vitality. Custom keto diet plan. If you're intrigued by the benefits of a keto lifestyle and want a more structured approach, consider investing in a custom keto diet plan. This plan is tailored to your specific needs and preferences, making it easier to achieve your health and weight loss goals. These keto taco bowls are not only delicious, but also a fantastic option for those managing diabetes or seeking a healthier diet. By focusing on low-carb, nutrient-dense ingredients, this recipe supports stable blood sugar levels and overall well-being. For more personalized guidance and meal plans, check out the custom keto diet plan through the link in the description. This plan will help you navigate your keto journey with ease and confidence. Enjoy your meal and the benefits it brings to your health. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.